Let's prepare broiler chicken. Most probably this is the only way you're gonna make it yummy and tasty. So first we go in with the spices. I put in some beef masala, ground garlic and ginger, a pinch of pilau masala. You can add some more of your preferred spices. Mix it up and finally add some soy sauce, dark soy sauce to be specific. Then let it sit for a minute. Then let it boil so that the chicken can suck in the spices. As the chicken boils, chop your sauce ingredients. After the chicken is soft and tender, put it in super hot oil. Let them cook till golden brown. I prefer to use the coil or the electric pan because it spreads heat evenly. Just my preference. Then serve them into a bowl and let them sit to dry the oil. Yeah, this is the final product of well fried chicken. Onto the sauce. First put in some onion into 2 spoonfuls of oil, cooking oil. Let them cook for 2 minutes. Then add in your tomatoes, green pepper and coriander. Let them cook. Then add the soup from boiled chicken. Add a Royco cube. Stir. Make sure it's thick enough. So let it boil. As it boils, it increases the thickness. Then 2 drops of soy sauce. Stir. Make sure it's well spread into the sauce. Then let it cook for 3 minutes as you stir. After 3 minutes, it's ready to serve. Now it's ready. Serve it with an accompaniment of your choice. I decided to go with ugali. And this is the final product. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe and let's meet on our next video.